Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to enroll for free in paid courses on udemy.com. So Udemy, as you know, is such a popular website for all sort of courses, but while it does offer some free courses, most of the courses are available for a certain price. You have to pay a certain amount of money, and that's when you could avail that course. So if you want to get a course for free, what you would do is you would just go to this website known as discudemy.com. So DISC udemy.com, and here just go on to this website. Now what happens in here is that it has got a lot of coupons for you, which you could just post on the main Udemy website, and you would be able to enroll into the course for free. So as you can see, here are such a lot of courses for you to choose from. What happens is that these coupons expire in a while, so you would have to spend some time on this website so that you could see the opportunity to enroll into your desired course and get it for free, because otherwise the coupon might expire, right? So you just have to be sure that you are browsing on this website while you're free, and you can just select the course which attracts you. So for example, if I want to take any of these courses, there are such a lot of these here. You can see there are so many pages in here, so you could definitely go to one you would like. So if I want to, for example, enroll for this course, the complete guide on SQL injections, what I would do is I would just click on this. This is about ethical hacking. So it mainly depends on what field or stream you belong to, and then you can of course enroll in that one. So the base price published here is $49, but I would just click on take course, and now it has provided this coupon to me. So I would just click on this course coupon link, and as you can see, it has directed me to this new page, and you could see I've got 100% off in here, so it is free for me. However, you could also see that only 9 hours are left at this price. So if I was, say, 9 hours late, or maybe I don't know, I just browsed through this website on the next day, then I wouldn't have availed this particular coupon. So this means that I have to definitely browse through the Disc Udemy website as often as I can, so that I could discover the best courses for me, the best coupons, which of course have a limited lifetime. So if I want to just enroll in this course, which is otherwise costing a lot, it is just free for me right now, I would just click on enroll now. And as you can see, I would just select enroll now once again, because the original price, $90 in fact, is not going to be charged. That's the beauty of using Disc Udemy. You get all these coupons. Now I would just select start course, and I would jump right into the course. So that's how you enroll in any paid courses on udemy.com. You just search for the relevant coupons on the Disc Udemy website, and there you go. You have just enrolled in this course, which would otherwise charge you a lot, but now you're just enrolling and learning for free.